everything like fair. Just sort through the lies they told you and struggle on through despair. Travel down that winding road and learn to smile again. Navigate those twists and turns and try to live again. Though the path you followed, you were never straight and narrow, torn asunder by the fork in the road with the burden that you bear. Travel down that winding road and learn to smile again. Navigate those twists and turns and try to live again. Learn to smile again. Navigate those twists and turns and try to live again. Told you we can't go this way forever. And who'll be the one who holds you when this life has reached its end?